In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage documents and files in monday.com. Let's dive right in. First, if you're already using monday.com, you'll want to open the board where you plan to manage your files. This could be any type of board you currently use, such as a project tracker, a content calendar, or a CRM. Once you're in your board, we need to add a file column. To do this, look to the right side of your columns and click the plus sign. From the menu that appears, select File. You can rename this new column to something specific like Project Files or Attachments. This file column is a handy tool, allowing you to attach and view documents directly within your items. Now that you've set up a file column, it's time to upload files. Click on the plus add file icon within your new column. You'll then have a choice of file sources. You can upload a file directly from your computer, or if you've integrated services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, you can pull files from these locations as well. Once uploaded, your files will display as thumbnails within the item, making them easy to find and manage. To interact with your files, click on the thumbnail for a preview. Within this preview, you have several options. You can download the file, rename it, or even delete it. Furthermore, the option to add comments is there for detailed discussions or annotations. Additionally, you can upload new versions of a file, which is excellent for keeping track of file versions over time. Monday.com offers a brilliant Files View feature. To access this, click on the plus Add View tab at the top of your board and select Files View. This view compiles all the files you've uploaded across your board into one convenient gallery of documents. Plus, you have the ability to filter through these files, sort them, and search by file name or owner, making file management straightforward and efficient. Let's explore Monday Docs next. Navigate to the top of your workspace and click plus Add, followed by New Doc. This feature permits you to create internal documents such as meeting notes or plans within monday.com itself. Even better, it promotes real-time collaboration. You can tag teammates, create checklists, and embed boards or dashboards directly within the document, enhancing teamwork and productivity. Finally, don't forget about file permissions. Use board permissions to regulate who can view, upload, or delete files. This is especially useful for ensuring sensitive data remains secure. To keep files organized, it's wise to regularly clear out old files, potentially moving them to an archive board. Also, try adopting consistent naming conventions. For instance, use a format like client name/project-v1.pdf to make tracking easier. And that's how you can effectively manage documents and files in monday.com. Thanks for watching.